Hello, I'm Belinda from the WVU Family Nutrition Program, and today we're going to be doing chicken nuggets. I know you already get chicken nuggets from other places, but on these chicken nuggets, you get to control the sodium and what type of chicken nuggets you want to make. You can use dry ranch dressing or Italian dressing. Anything that you want to put on your chicken nuggets, you can. I'm just giving you just the basic chicken nugget. This is a really good protein to have for your children. You know, whenever they're outside playing and they run in and they're hungry, you can have these already prepared. So let me show you just what we're going to do with the chicken nuggets. Today are already pre-cut chicken breasts, boneless, skinless chicken breasts, already pre-cut them. I have 1 egg and 1/2 cup of milk. And what I did right here was I crushed up really fine some cornflakes. Now, whenever we talk about using any type of spice or whatever you want to do, I'm just doing a no salt mix, no salt. This one is just the original. So I've already cut up my chicken breast. I've already have my egg and my milk mixture and my cornflakes. What I did was I used the seasoning on my chicken already. So it's really seasoned already. Just to cut up just to make sure that all of these right here is already done for you. What I'm going to do with my tongs, I'm going to take the chicken, add it in the milk and egg mixture, and then put it in there. Now, this is my wet tongue, and this right here is my dry tongue. I know a lot of you all do not want to touch chicken with your hands, so a really good pair of tongs you can have. So, what is the serving size, Belinda? A serving size of chicken nuggets are 4. 4 really nice size pieces are a serving size. Now, if you see what I'm doing, I am not mixing the wet and the dry, but I would like to talk to you about something. It is about food contamination. What you don't want to do is you don't, whenever you're making your chicken nuggets, and let's say you're making them the night before, you want to put your chicken on the bottom of the shelf all the time. Like if it's frozen, put them on the bottom. You don't want any of those juices to come through. Always wash your hands before you cook and after you cook. Always wash your hands. Hand washing is very, very, very important, especially in using protein. What is another type of protein? Beans, legumes, nuts. It's fantastic. These chicken nuggets are awesome to do, and your children can also do them with you. And I believe that if the children are actually like helping you cook, they'll eat just a little bit more. So what I have is I have 4 chicken nuggets right here, and you're going to put them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to go put them in there. So again, with these chicken nuggets, there are 4. And I made the sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries has a little bit of honey and cinnamon on it. And they will cook for 10 to 15 minutes. And again, always wash your hands when dealing with protein. And whenever you're having your children cook the protein, make them wash their hands also. Again, chicken nuggets are good for the soul and good for you. Also freezes very well. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.